Hey there, third graders. I want to show you how you can use Epic to find awesome books that you are interested in. So when you click on the Epic login page, you'll enter the class code right here. Our class code is on the login card. It's QHE9619. Now, I've already typed that in, so I can just choose it today. Once you log in, you'll find your name. I'm going to pretend to be Amalia M today. Now, when I log in, I can already see a bunch of choices. They have some that they recommend for you, popular series, top books that can be read to you, comics, nonfiction, many things, okay? But you also can search along here. And what I love is that you can type in anything you want. Maybe I love reading fairy tales. So I'm going to type in fairy tales, and then it's going to show me a lot of books, and I can click show more to see a bunch of fairy tales, and I can choose one of those. Now, notice up here, I can click on all, which will show me all types of books, audiobooks. So an audiobook just plays the sound. You don't look at the words. So I want you to be reading books that actually you can see the words, okay? So I can type in, choose just books. I can choose videos, but we have no access to videos right now. Read to me books. So these are books that will show me the words and read out loud. So you are allowed to do those. I don't really want you doing audiobooks. You can do it in your choice time because you don't get to see the words. Collections show you groups of books that are very similar. So collections that teachers have made. So I could see, oh, fairy tales for third graders. Oh, more fairy tales, fables. And I can also look at books that have a quiz. If I really like reading books that then I can take a quiz at the end, I can look in there. Maybe I want to read about a nonfiction topic. Maybe I love reading about dogs. Oh, wow. If I click on show more here, there are so many books about different types of dogs. There's fiction books that have dogs in them. And if you are looking for just fiction or nonfiction, you can choose that right here. Maybe I only want to look for nonfiction books about dogs. Okay? Something really awesome is if I choose a book, let's say about Dalmatians I want to read. And maybe I read some of it. Maybe I read some, but I don't finish and I want to save this book to come to on another day. There is, it's not showing up right here. If you click at the top again, you see this heart? That means it's like you favorite the book. I'm going to do that with this book, okay? And then I'm going to X out of it. And the next day when I come in, I will go into my library, which means my favorites, and there it is. So I can click on it and continue reading. This is really helpful when you have long books that you need to read over many days. Make sure that as you are reading in Epic that you are using your 30-minute timer. So always opening that in another page when you start reading, not when you start looking for books, when you actually start reading. And that will help you to know how long it's been 30 minutes. And that's Epic.